Healing isn't just about time, it's about movement, support, and the right care at the right moment. Whether you're coming in for outpatient rehab after an injury or working towards long-term mobility goals, our physical therapists at Gila Regional Rehabilitation Center are here to help you rebuild strength, restore function, and regain confidence one step at a time.
If you're recovering in the hospital after surgery, an illness, or an accident, our inpatient physical therapy team meets you right at your bedside. We create customized plans that focus on more than just muscles. We work with balance, mobility, coordination, and everything that helps you safely move again.
I had a lot of dizziness and stuff when I came in here. Fell out of my car in the weeds and, I didn't know what to do. In just a couple of weeks with Natalie, I was able to go out, work in my yard, which for weeks I wasn't able to do. Feel more confident. I would recommend anybody coming in to Gila Regional.
From your first session to your last, whether inpatient or outpatient, our team is by your side, educating, encouraging, and empowering your recovery. Rehab is where healing moves forward because your comeback starts here.